Welcome to this presentations of the four basic period in the history of computers. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of computer. So first is pre-mechanical.
Our journey begins in pre-mechanical period, which spans in the ancient time to the 17th century.
Writing in alphabets. Petroglyphs, signs or simple figures carved in rock. Cave painting from Lascaux, France, 15,000–10,000 BC. Ideographs, symbols to represent ideas and concept. Cuneiform, the first true written language and the first real information system. Cuneiform. Star, heaven or God. Cuneiform. At around 2000 BC, the Phoenicians created symbols that express single syllables and consonants, the first true alphabet. Greek adopted the Phoenician alphabet and added vowels. Romans gave the letters Latin name to create the alphabet we use today.
The second is mechanical.
Mechanical age. The mechanical age is when we first start to see connections between our current technology and its ancestors. The mechanical age can be defined as the time between 1450 and 1840 AD. A lot of new technologies are developed in this era as there is a large explosion in interest with this era. Technology like the slide rule and analog computer used for multiplying and dividing were invented. Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline, which was a very popular mechanical computer. Charles Babbage developed the difference engine, which tabulate polynomial equation using the method of finite differences. There were lots of different machines created during this era, and while we have not yet got into a machine that can do more than type of calculation is one, like our modern day calculation. We are still learning about how all of our all-in-one machines started. Also, if you look at the size of the machines invented in this time compared to the power behind them, it seems to us absolutely ridiculous to understand why anybody would want to use them. But to the people living in that time, all of those inventions were huge.
Electromechanical age.
Now, we're finally getting close to some technologies that resemble our modern day technology. Hi, I'm Clark. So today, I'm going to tackle all about electromechanical age. So, electromechanical age heralded the beginnings of telecommunications as we know it today. This age can be defined roughly as the time between 1840 and 1940. Several revolutionary technologies were invented in this period, such as the Morse code, telephone, radio, and etc. All of these technologies were crucial stepping stones toward modern information technology systems. And now, let's get to know the different persons and inventions that belong in electromechanical age. So the first is Lady Ada Augusta Lovelace Byron. She was the first computer programmer in 1842. The next one is Samuel Morse. He was the person responsible for inventing the electromagnetic telegraph in 1832. The next person is Alessandro Volta, He was the person responsible for inventing the first voltaic battery known as voltaic pile. Next is Alexander Graham Bell. He was the person who developed the first working telephone. The next person is Guglielmo Marconi, who discovered that electrical waves travel through space and can produce the effect far from the point at which this originated. He was also responsible for making the invention the radio. Next is Dörfeld, devises the comptometer, a key-driven adding and subtracting calculator, and comptograph, containing a built-in printer. Next is Spear and Edward Scott, completed a tabulating machine capable of processing 15-digit numbers, printing out results, and rounding off to 8 digits. Next is Otto Schweitzer, who invented the first efficient four-function calculator called Millionaire. And that's it for the electromechanical age.
Electronic age.
In this age, people invented the transistor, ushered in the electronic age. People harnessed the power of transistors that led to the transistor radio, electronic circuits, and the telecomputers. In this age, long-distance communication became more efficient. Transistor radio is a small portable radio receiver that uses transistor-based circuitry. Following the invention of the transistor, the first commercial transistor radio was released in 1954. Television, 1941. Sometimes shortened to tele or tele, is a telecommunication medium used for transmitting moving images in monochrome, black and white, or in color, and in 2 or 3 dimensions and sound. The term can refer to a television set, a television show, or the medium of television transmission. Large electronic computers, i.e. EDSAC, 1949, and UNIVAC 1, 1951. The EDSAC is a large-scale electronic calculating machine in which ultrasonic delay units are used for storage of orders and numbers. It is serial in operation and works in the scale of 2. Punch tape is used for input and a teleprinter for output. Mainframe computers, also known as Big Iron, are computers used primarily by large organizations for critical applications, bulk data processing, such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and transaction processing.
These 4 periods in the computer history have shaped the world we live in today. From simple abacuses to the powerful devices in our pocket. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. Thank you.